Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be another Zara haul. I've got some lovely pieces. Let's hope it's better than the last one since the quality wasn't there. Yeah, let's get the Zara haul. Alright, here's the first piece. It's so stunning, right? Perfect for summertime, like on an island. I've never been to the Maldives. I don't know, it's probably a bit overrated because since everyone goes there, I'll probably try somewhere else. But I'll try there one day. One day. This would be perfect for that island. Also Italy as well, although you'd be walking down the street and everyone would be screaming, Bella, Bella. And it's kind of short. I think this is more beach appropriate. Because in the city, people will see your underwear. It's size small, it has a zip on the side. And then this knot effect, they've like sewn it so you can't take it off. It was a size small and I believe it was £46. So it's okay. Quality of the fabric is not that great, I will say that. It's nice and light, that it's breathable and it's good for summer, but it's not like a really nice quality fabric. You have the stitching here, which is lovely. I really like that. It's a nice dress. I think you could pay the money if you know you're going to go away like the next week or two. Otherwise, I don't know if it would be in the sale. Maybe you could also wait for the sale. Might get lucky. Yes, Zara, this is absolutely stunning and worth the money. It's £46. I love it. Love, 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 love. Does it have adjustable straps though? Oh no, okay. Only side thing is these are not adjustable and they kind of do dig in a little bit. But if you can withstand them, this is stunning. It's so nice. Can you undo this or is it just completely... Oh, they've tied it up so you can't undo it. This is a black dress and they've made it a bit more fun with this skirt. Something that the girls would be doing. But it's basically just sewn on so it won't like fall off. It's so nice. The material of this is like a bodycon. The straps are getting annoying, but I have to say the bra I was wearing before was digging in a little bit, so I don't think that's helped either. So I'll try it on again tomorrow to see if the straps are still annoying me. Yeah, you've got this like corset effect that they've done with the material, which I think is quite pretty. And I love the like scarf that they used for the wraparound. Got it in size small. Love it. So stunning. I'll wear it out day and night, to be honest. I think it's a dress that you can just wear all day. Just change the shoes. Yeah, it's really, really nice. I absolutely love this dress. It's so gorgeous. Love the colour. So girly. Perfect for Italy. I got this last time in a different colour, but I got it in a size small and the chest area just was not working. But I got this time in a size medium. It's £46 and this looks so much better. I will undo the straps and do them up again just to make it a bit more, because it's like knotted a little bit with this hook thing. Yeah. But I love the dress. It has a slit on the side. It's satin and it just flows so beautifully. Really, really nice. Good material, it's not see-through, although I am wearing black pants. Unless it is see-through. I'll have a look. Can't see the back. But yeah, I think it's gorgeous. And just put some sandals on and just go out in Europe and eat ice cream and look beautiful. Yeah, and perfect for like a date in the day. My day in life. I'm on Hinge, but I want a Christian guy. So that makes my choices like go from here to here, and then I don't want to get a guy that overdrinks or smokes, so that goes to like here. And I also want him to have a good job, so it ends up going to like so let's just make Zara my boyfriend. Okay, and here's next up. Really nice dress. Very sexy. I love the colour. It's got the straps in the back, which works so well, because I always feel like the backs can struggle when they do this deep V's, so it's really smart they put the elastic because it works for different sizes, different boob sizes. It's a nice light material. Okay, the skirt isn't the best. I don't know how much it costs because there's no tag on it. It's weird. But I will put a link in the description bar so you can have a look on the website yourself. And I'm pretty sure it's a size small. The fabric is like a linen fabric, so very breathable. And yeah, stunning, stunning, stunning. I love how colourful this is. And I don't have like a crochet dress in my wardrobe. I was checking, I don't have any. This is stunning, and it's £32 or £33. I like the fact that some Zara pieces can be a reasonable price. And this is the back. So yeah, I think this is a yes. So beautiful. Love all the colours. And the sides are so pretty as well. Nice for like just in the city exploring. You do need to wear a bra or vest, or maybe like bunny ears, just to cover up the nipples because they are visible. But yeah, it's so stunning. Oh, this would be perfect in like South America. Colombia. Next up is this black dress, and it's a complete no because my boobies are coming out. What they were missing was like another strap here where the boob section is, and then just put elastic. That would have helped. Yes, I could do it myself, but I don't really like the cutout in the middle, and I don't like that dress, the dress so much. Quality of the fabric is nice. It's really well lined, and it's very, very soft. Size wise, I think I got a size small. Be careful because I don't want to come out. It's £32, so it's a good price. It's gonna look nice on a girl who maybe just doesn't have boobies. Yeah, it's not for the booby girls. A little satin black dress. It's so cute. It's so nice with like silver shoes and like a Prague or Venice at night. It's really nice. £30. I love the style at the front here. It's like, reminds me of like Bridgerton. The satin is so cute, and I like that they've made short and long versions of this dress for people who want something different. So the back straps are adjustable, and then this is like a bra effect with the hook and eye. And then you've got a little zip. Size small. And last but not least, this beautiful skirt. What size did I get in? In a small, it actually fits. Zara skirts are a bit up and down. Sometimes the small fits me, sometimes it doesn't. I'm just touching these buttons because they're so nice. Really nice skirt, well lined. Oh, it's got a black lining as well, so no one will see my underwear. And I love the darts as well. It's just so cute. I will probably wear it in the day with the bodysuit, and then if I could find shoes in this colour. Otherwise, of course, also in the night time if I feel like I don't want to wear a dress. So that's the end of the haul. I'm tired now and I'm hungry, and I need to tidy up. But I will see you in the next one very soon.